He's so slow at hitting jumps. It terrifies. I cased all 2 of them. The 8 pressure points of your snowboard. Let's go for some park etiquette. Today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a tail grab.
Not even worried about the first 2 jumps. Let's just make sure we're in line and got the speed.
Oh man, today's gonna be weird. So I woke up with, I think my weird ribs feeling worse than they've ever felt. So we showed up late. What time is it? Like 2 p.m. It's we've never showed up this late to the mountain. We're like first to park normally. So we're starting the day off a little slow, but we're so excited. We're actually here to film 3 videos for you guys. Park etiquette, how to do a tail grab, and 5 pressure points of your snowboard. I don't know when these videos are posted. If they have posted, I'm gonna throw one up right here. But I want to make other content for you than just vlogs. But if we're snowboarding, we're making a vlog. So I don't know how this vlog is gonna look. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but I know we're gonna make a bunch of sick content for you. It's gonna be funny. Benton's in a good mood, I'm in a good mood. Our boy Kenny's somewhere around this mountain. And yeah, I don't know, here we go. Different video, hope you enjoy. 1 for the money, 2 for the show. That's why I don't like the channel system.
That's why I land half of my tricks.
Because he's got swivel bindings. Alright guys, so I don't know the flow of this video. I'm probably making some type of edits with the riding because we're getting some shots like Benton backflipping off the knuckle. That was insane. And then we got getting some shots of Kenny. And overall, we're making a bunch of fun how-to videos for you guys and like educational videos. Some like these days where we don't hard charge and make a vlog where it's like bah, 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 but we come out and we film some like bonus videos for you guys. Help mainly because we're about to go to Utah, we're about to go to North Carolina, and we're about to go to Silverthorne, go heli snowboarding. Well, those travel days, it's really hard to like edit a video, upload a video, all that stuff. So if I can make these extra videos and have them pre-ready, waiting online for when I do a travel day, and then I can post those, that's how I'm able to travel and still bring daily content for you guys. So these extra other videos they're needed. So let's go for some park etiquette so you guys can be safe while snowboarding in the park. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a tail grab on your snowboard. Don't condone that. Thanks for helping with the videos today, Kenny. Yeah. Kenny has a YouTube channel, it's in the description. He makes special content.
Special.
So normally we're out of the park by this time of the day. And right now it's absolute madness.
There's so many people here.
So many people. Some people throwing down, some people just dying. It's fun though. We're filming how-to videos and there's so much chaoticness happening in the background that I love it. You know what else is chaos in the background? Today's sticker shout out. We got Lee Jet Pilot with 2 Evolution stickers and a super artsy photo. Dude, thank you so much for snagging Evolution merch, supporting the channel. Guys, if you want to get an Evolution sticker, we have a ski version, we got the snowboard, a bunch of other cool designs. It does support the channel. If you want to get any of those stickers, they're all linked in the description, as well as hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. Snag any of the merch. Make sure you tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram. I post a bunch of cool bonus extra content. It's how you know which mountain I'm riding at each day. So if you're not following the Instagram, you're missing out on bonus content. So don't miss out, follow the Instagram and let's keep shredding. You ready?
Let's get it.
Today's like way better than yesterday was.
1,000 times better.
I'm having fun. I fell. I don't know how to explain it. Benson is the slowest jumper of all time. He goes into jumps with no speed and somehow makes the landing every time.
It's that hot, that's hot.
Are you okay?
It hurts so bad.
Well, you're still gonna have to stray there for the best photo ever.
Knuckling that jump, falling, filming Benson, all that stuff I'm trying to avoid today. I'm going mellow because my body hurts so bad. But we're having a good time, which is the best part. I'm still having fun out here. And we're getting these videos done. We got 2 videos, extra videos filmed for you guys. And now we gotta leave the park, go film the last bonus video. I'm hyped. You guys hyped? Comment down below. Are you hyped? Smash like if you're hyped. Helps the almighty YouTube algorithm. The algorithm will bless me if you smash like.
Okay.
I forgot to mention this the other day, guys, but I was on a podcast. It was incredible. If you want to check out this podcast, it's linked in the description. I've never been on a podcast before, so you have to check it out. It's the Generally Interested podcast. It's super sick. Down below, check out the podcast. All right, Benson. Let's just chipmunk through the park.
Let's get it.
Do you got a plan?
We are gonna get the best photo ever that shows you what it is truly like for us to film each other.
Chase is getting a photo. Chase is on the case.
Not even worried about the first 2 jumps. Let's just make sure we're in line and got the speed.
What you're saying is follow our Instagram so you can see this photo. So now we're gonna go film the 8 pressure points of your snowboard. If you didn't know it, your snowboard has 8 pressure points. If you wanna be 100% in control of your snowboard, you need to not only know those pressure points, but you also can't butter your snowboard without them. So let's go cover these pressure points. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm gonna talk to you about the 8 pressure points of your snowboard. If you're struggling with your grabs, I just created a how to grab your snowboard grab map. It's like a schematic that comes with corresponding stickers. You stick them all over your snowboard and then you know where to grab your snowboard. You know what mute, stalefish, indie is. That way when you go out in the mountain, you can learn them, and then when you finally learn all your grabs, you can peel all those stickers off.
Why not?
Guys, this vlog is gonna be so weird. We filmed 4 videos today. 3 other videos, 1 vlog. I've said the outro 3 times already. I still gotta say it again. But we've had a sick day. Everything we needed with my bum rim. Nice mellow day, make extra content for you. We don't have to send it every single day. It's actually kind of hard to send it every day, unless you're this guy. All right, one last trick from Benson, here we go. Hey!
I'd have to hike too far right now. Another time we'll do it.
All right, guys, Benson's claiming backflip into the helipad. You'd literally be flying and then landing in the helipad.
In the helipad.
Which reminds me, we're going heli snowboarding, guys. January 28th, we're going to Silverthorne Mountain, going heli snowboarding again. If you missed the heli snowboard videos, because I don't know how weird this video was, and you want more snowboarding, check out the heli snowboard video. It was insane. I'm so hyped that we're going heli snowboarding. Every time I like unstrap, I crush my ribs and it sucks. But I'm not stopping snowboarding, guys. We will heal and we will also shred. I think we gotta leave you guys with one more snowboard trick.
Can I do a switch though? Nope.
That's probably how you guys will look when you first try to learn that thing. I don't think I got it.
You know how you should end this?
Look at all this snow. Benton used to do parkour. See if he does something cool. You see that smile on his face? He truly enjoyed doing that.
Try the other day.
Favorite part of the day, especially since today this is the worst my ribs have ever felt. Oh. What I think it was is I took Roman snowboarding yesterday and I picked him up a bunch, and I think all that lifting really irritated what was going on. But so worth it, dude. Roman was having the time of his life. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this random, I have no idea how this video turned out. Video, I don't even know what I titled it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was fun. We did a bunch of goofy stuff for the park etiquette video, the how to do a nose grab, tail grab, and then the 8 pressure points of your snowboard. See my brain, I just like spit the knowledge. I don't even know if I have it for this end part. You look tired too. Benton's like, we've never snowboarded this late before in the day, blah, blah, and freaking out. And I'm like, dude, we rode 2 hours. We showed up at like 12:30, and he's like, oh yeah. Like, kid's losing his head. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. That way more people can see my videos. The more people that can see them, the more that they can have fun, but also learn about snowboarding / skiing, and we can just help more people out. And that's the goal of this channel. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I want to help you become the best snowboarders possible, as well as just bring you fun, interesting vlogs and stuff like that. I'm just living my best life and sharing it with you guys. We post daily content. If you didn't know that, we post a snowboard video every single day. The only people to post a snowboard video every single day. We're absolutely dominating the game. So I've done that. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us, making videos with us, and watching Benton be Benton today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Keep evolving.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need